women have voted in the elections in Delhi. In the assembly election 2015, 53% of the women voted for Aam Aadmi Party. This actually rose to 60% in the 2020 assembly elections. Is there an effort to try and dent the image of the Aam Aadmi Party? Having said this, we must remember that in the Lok Sabha elections, an overwhelming number of women of Delhi voted for the Bharatiya Janata Party, 42% of them. Tushar Gupta.
Good evening. Look, they want to be the judge, they want to be the jury, they want to be the executioner, now they also want to be the doctors. अरे ये चोट ऐसे लगी, ये चोट के घाव ऐसे, कोई चल नहीं पाता, दौड़ नहीं पाता. ऋषद कदवाई जी, प्रॉब्लम ये है कोई एडमिट ही नहीं कर रहा क्राइम हुआ है, कि कुछ गलत हुआ है. आम आदमी पार्टी 13 मई को कहती है, जब ये खबर पहली बार सामने आती है, that it's an internal party matter. By May 17th, this is a BJP conspiracy. Is this a party that can be taken seriously? On the second day, their Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh comes out and say there was misbehavior that happened and it's very regretful. We are going to conduct an investigation. The same day, the same PA is seen with traveling with Arvind Kejriwal. 2 days later, we are told that the same Rajya Sabha MP, Swati Maliwal, she's making up a story so as to align with the BJP. Now, sir says that we should not politicize this issue. Swati Maliwal is a Rajya Sabha MP of the Aam Aadmi Party. What happened in the Chief Minister's residence of the Aam Aadmi Party. The discussion was between the Chief Minister and the Rajya Sabha MP of the Aam Aadmi Party. Who was the first person to drag the BJP into it? It was Atishi Marlena who imagined the conspiracy theory, as they always do, that this has something to do with the BJP. I want to correct Sanjeev ji on one thing. Jo Swati Maliwal ji ke saath hua, it's not just that the BJP supporters or the BJP leaders are thinking about it. It's the entire country. Young boys and girls sitting here are thinking about it. That a leader who promised women security for Delhi after the heinous crime of 2012, the Nirbhaya case, 12 years later, in his reticence, a Rajya Sabha MP is beaten up and his party members say, "Arey, ye to conspiracy kar rahi hai. Arey, isko to party badal nahi hai."
And tell me, I have a very small question, 2 pointed questions. Why did Sanjay Singh admit, a very senior leader, that Swati Maliwal did suffer from misconduct?
He didn't know all the sequence of events.
Oh, I see. So why did he say Arvind Kejriwal is taking cognizance of what has happened and there'll be strict action?
Okay.
So when he was taking cognizance of Arvind Kejriwal and bringing it to light, did he not know what Vibhav was saying? I mean, who are you trying to fool? Vibhav was found at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Not just that, on 13th, Swati Maliwal tweets this. How come these videos, selectively cut, smartly edited, mischievously edited videos, emerged only on 17th night?
Okay.
And not on 13th. I mean, come on. Who are you fooling?
Corruption.